So here we have the water pump. Not that exciting. So over here, I had to plug this. This goes to the heater. I took out the heater. If you don't know about heaters of these old vehicles, yeah, they're very interesting. So I plugged that because I don't need the heater right now. This one is leaking. It's the bearing. I thought it was the gasket. So replace the gasket, and that was not the issue. Found out after a while that it was the bearing. Now you can replace the bearings. You do need a press to press out the bearing and then press in the new bearing. It's cheaper than buying a new one. These are getting a little more rare, so what some companies do is that you send this in and then you get a discount for either a new one or a rebuilt one, and then they'll either rebuild this or use it as parts. So I do need to get one of these. I'm going to see if I can get one fairly cheap. Maybe try to press out the bearing. But I have to think about that one, how we're going to do it. Right now I'm going to put it on the truck. It's going to leak. I don't have the gasket. I'm going to make a gasket. Gaskets out of gasket material are easy to make. Problem is I don't have the gasket material. I may have to order that in the pandemic. It's curbside pickup. You call, you say what you're looking for, gasket material. So it could be a cork or a paper gasket or whatever it may be. This one was just a paper one. And you can order them. I had the whole kit, and sadly, when it was leaking again, I took it off and I put gasket sealant. What I could do is just put the form a gasket on this, and I may just do that for what I'm trying to do here. So it's just form a gasket. You put that on there, wherever it will connect to the other stuff. My rad leaks. I will put the rad in there. It leaks. I know it's all going to leak. I actually thought about doing kind of what they do with boats and just hooking up a hose into the motor itself, and then kind of having a hose coming out, just spilling onto the driveway or whatever. Not the greatest environmental kind of stuff, or pouring into a big bucket and turning it over and trying to start it up for you. So we'll see. Stay tuned.